Unlocking the power of decision-making. Use your judgment. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a commonly used phrase, use your judgment. This phrase is a key to understanding how English speakers often encourage others to make decisions based on their own reasoning and insights. Let's explore together why it's important and how you can use it in your everyday communication. The phrase, use your judgment, is an invitation or advice given to someone to rely on their personal decision-making abilities. It suggests that the person should consider all the facts and circumstances at hand and then make a decision based on their own understanding and assessment of the situation. This phrase underscores the importance of individual reasoning, critical thinking, and personal experience in making choices. Key components. Use, to employ or apply something. Your, referring to the person being addressed. Judgment, the ability to make considered decisions or come to sensible conclusions. Use your judgment can be applied in various scenarios, from everyday life decisions to professional settings. Here are a few contexts where this phrase is particularly relevant. In the workplace, when a manager trusts an employee to make decisions on a project without needing step-by-step approval. Among friends, advising a friend on personal matters, like choosing a dress for an event or making a significant life decision. While learning, teachers may encourage students to use their judgment when analyzing a piece of literature or solving a problem to foster independent thinking. Encouraging someone to use their judgment does more than just push them to make a decision. It promotes independence. It helps individuals learn to trust their instincts and abilities. Enhances critical thinking. It encourages evaluating different aspects of a situation before making a choice. Builds confidence. Making decisions and seeing their outcomes can boost a person's confidence in their judgment. Using your judgment effectively involves more than just following a gut feeling. Here are some tips to refine your decision-making process. Gather all relevant information. Make sure you have all the facts before making a decision. Consider the consequences. Think about the potential outcomes of your decision. Learn from past experiences. Use your previous decisions as a guide for current situations. Seek advice when necessary. While it's important to use your judgment, consulting others can provide valuable perspectives. Use your judgment is a powerful phrase that encourages independence, critical thinking, and confidence. Whether in personal or professional settings, it's a reminder that your insights and reasoning are valuable in making decisions. We hope this video has shed some light on how and when to use this phrase effectively. Remember, every decision is an opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to use your judgment when navigating through the English language and life's many decisions. See you in the next video.